Backtesting Asia Session. Let's get it. Um, just trying to understand how Asia Session works, but it's not like backtesting like before. Oh my gosh, I missed the hour. Ugh, I missed the hour, guys. And this is like a freaking end dog. What was that? Is that an end dog or what? So if I did trade this around 8, would I long? There might be long setups that were formed. Yeah, you know me when it comes to this shit. Yeah, probably. Yeah, probably the long off of that 5 minute. This one, oh, yeah. Then my stops at this low, almost got stopped out, and then aim for 1 to 3. Yeah, I would have banked. I would have banked, rolled. Just aim 1 to 3. Insane. But yeah, I'm not able to trade that day, so let's move on. Currently, just had one loss, two no trade days, but the second no trade day wasn't something I planned to. Just I over tapped. Okay, there you go. Perfect. Looking pretty bearish now. Looking pretty bearish. Yeah, pretty bearish. Pretty bearish to me. Pretty bearish to me. Get that the earliest flush here, but much better if we can manipulate somewhere first. Don't say you're just gonna flush. Come on. Just flushed. Not giving me any setups. It's quite hard. Yeah, it's like hit or miss type of day. It's not like, oh shit, it's gonna manipulate now. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. They didn't even manipulate to any sort of gap. 15, not even. 5, 3. How about at least manipulate this before we go to take that sell-side liquidity? Nope, we didn't, but I think we can get longs off of it though. S&T? I mean, yeah, definitely an S&T there. We can long here. Seems like we were long in the bottom, but bro, this shit looks so good. So we're taking this SMT off of this sell-side liquidity, which is the low that I want. I want to get tapped. On two, we have this until 15-minute cap, perfect TP point. So I'll just take this long off of that, perfect inversion. Stops on this low. Initially, I want to go 1 to 3. But I think that would happen though. I mean, none of this are actually even rebalanced at all. So I mean, who knows, right? Maybe from this leg. I mean, the EQ right there. All right, let's aim for the EQ of this leg. Yeah, I'm gonna aim for the EQ of the leg. Risk 250. Okay, risking too much on this trade. We're gonna only risk 250. 250. That was 1 to 3 that I took last time. I don't know. All right, let's take this long bound. Okay, we're gonna target the EQ of the leg over here. So we'll see that. Is there any gap on the way? Yeah, we're gonna go break even when we hit this 50 minute. But honestly, that would be my TP if I were trading this the normal way, not the Asia way. So for me, this is a really clean TP already. Let's get it. Or we should be swing low. Swing low. These Asia players do that. Swing lows. Would still get taken out. Why? Why? Alright, I guess I took a falling knife there. Hmm. First L, but we're still up because of our risk management. We hit a new 15 here. There's a 2 minute here. Can we get a? Oh, there's no 2 minute. Any SMT? Okay, I just started an SMT here. So Same idea. Let's get it. I'm gonna long here. Actually, I'm just gonna put long right now. Stop on this SMT low and target this thing. Because I think 1 to 3 here, right? Same idea. If you lose here, then we get 2 Ls. Aiming for 1 to 3. Actually, 1 to 3 was here, but are we gonna create a new 15 minute along the way? No, this is the only 15 minutes it's gonna be made. But hourly. Okay, we should be good. 15, 5, 3. Oh, there's not even a clear viewpoint. So it's like, let it be type of trade. Let's see here. Boom. Oh, this one's gonna lose. Yeah, I can tell. Even if I put it here. Yeah. Then this just bumps. Alright, technically that's an L right there. So first L. Dang. Okay. Let's move on Friday. Asia session. Mm, it just goes on one direction. Like, that's what I'm saying. There's not really much of reversal, even if you could remember from our first win. It just goes on one direction. So like when I hop in on 8, we don't need no manipulation on Asia. You can see this. 8 a.m. pops in, didn't manipulate anything. It just pops. And you just need to get a continuation from there. Even it's much better if you can get the pre-market. It's a pre-market here that you could have already rocked. Just make sure you have a tight-ish stop. Then just go maybe 1 to 3, something. Let's see. More experience makes you better. Uh, definitely still don't understand it quite clearly now. What is that dump that happened there? 7, okay. To see this, we're in an extremely bearish order flow now. Like from all-time highs, then extremely bearish. Just insane. Okay, we're currently in an hourly. So let's see. Let's mark out, I don't know, maybe it's hourly because it's not yet mitigated. It's looking pretty bullish actually. Okay. Usually right here, if I'm gonna use just what I noticed, not much TA, just really notice, they should flush now towards this high. If the thing I noticed was right. Let's go to 5 minute. Was there an SMT? There wasn't an SMT. I would take this if at least we mitigated at 5 minute so I can get this long. But we didn't. 2.7 are not that bad as well. But if my analysis was right, like what I'm seeing is right, they should just pump. Okay, now we're getting some retrace. Wherein we can also get an entry off of that as well, by the way. We could get an entry off of that. But we're looking pretty bullish. Where can we get a retrace? Okay, oh, 3 minutes is holding. Okay, I can actually long here. Because if my analysis was right, that wherever it goes to, like, it's just gonna continue that. It's not really gonna have a reversal. It's like continues the already existing trend. In this case, it was already bullish. Just really needed some sort of confluence with it. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try this out. If that is right, again, we're just testing out, so we don't know yet. Technically, we are 1 for 1 in terms of winning, guys. So mitigated a 3 minute perfectly. This is a 3 minute gap. We got an inversion off of here. Stops at this O below. And we're going for a 3R, but obviously, we're pushing it if we do that. Oh, there's a 15 minute here, right? Why not? 15 minutes, also an hourly. Pretty much an LR towards it. So let's do this. Bam. Yeah, the risk is there. Let's get it. Whoa. L right away. No. Then it pumps. Would I consider that a loss? Oh my days. Okay, I have to get more room, I guess. What in the world was that? W bias, but L executions. All right, I'll take note of that. Take note of that. Can we short from here? I mean, from there though. Can we get a short from there though? All right, I don't think so. But oh yeah, I think it's a shortable place. Let's try to short this. We're also on macro. Tap the hourly. I wanted to just take like the EQ of the range, 15. Why did I take a straight tap hourly 5 minute inversion? I waited for the 3 minute as well, just to be sure. Okay. This one is a really, really big stop. I'm targeting 1 to 3. Let's see this. Last trade of the day. Yes, it's gonna be L L L L L L L if ever. Boom, 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 boom. We're pumping, we're dumping, we're dumping. Say, bro, when you're gonna go break even? I actually want to go break even right now. Are we even halfway through the trade? Not yet. We can go break even here. I'll go break even at this low. Okay, we can go risk free there. Boom. We get a pop, pop, pop. The CE. Alright, TP hit. I mean, technically, if you would think about it, I'm getting 3R on the trades. So right now I'm up. Technically, I had 3 Ls. Technically, I have 3 Ls, right? With 2 winning day, 1 losing day. But I'm gonna count obviously the individual trades with as Rs. Technically here, I should be up 4R, which I am. I'm up 4R right now. I'm up 4R because I have two trades that won, and I had 3 Ls. So it's like six, then 3 Rs, whatever. But yeah, I'm up 4R on this, so doing quite fine. I was right on it. I said like what I'm noticing with Asia Session, like wherever it wants to go, it would go there. Like it would continue unless it's like there's really a point of reversal like this one. So I was willing to enter here. If you did, actually would bank as well, 3R. But I waited for a retrace. I entered here, but I put my stop here and it got stop funded, and then it goes straight to my TP. Now what I did here is just short towards 3R, but this is the EQ right here, just the golden pocket. So I just entered out of actually, I could have had a better entry on the 5 minute IFBD, which is here, but I still waited for the 3 minute just to be sure. If I just entered off the 5 minute, I could have went to break even earlier and still bank. And the 3R would be actually right here. And just let the trade be. It also, oh my gosh, that hit EQ and do that. Would this actually bank? This fib or doing something, huh? He's gonna bank. Let's say you enter here, or even gonna go wait for a retrace here. Uh, not really. Not really. I mean, not bad, but yeah. So yeah, so far, guys, I'm counting the R since these are 3R trades. So I'm counting how much R am I up. So for this particular week, 5 trading days, I had like two no trade days, I think, two or three. Not really sure, but in terms of R, I had 2 wins and 3 Ls, but I'm up 3R, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's get this up. I'm gonna move on next episode, get maybe 2 weeks of data here. So yeah, peace.